Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will be discussing about how to manage the invoices in multi-language. To manage with the multi-language, you can just move on to the settings, and here you can just find that we can add different languages. So here currently you can see that we have just enabled 5 languages, and to add the language you can just click on add, and here we can add the language. So we know every customers won't be knowing English, right? So in such cases, we may need to manage their invoices in their local language. And we have a customer from UAE and she doesn't know to manage in English. So she has just requested to manage her invoice in Arabic. So in such cases, you can see we have already activated Arabic, and you can see different languages over here. And she want to just choose the Arabic, which is used in Syria. So in such cases, you can just add the language over here, and you can see it takes a few seconds to add the language, and once it's done, you can see that the number of languages that added in Odoo will be changed, and you can see that either we can completely switch the language into Arabic so that everything that's shown in English will be just translated into Arabic, but we only need to manage with the language in the invoice. So let's close this. So we don't need to switch the language of Odoo platform into Arabic. So we have just added that, and let's move on, and we have an order from the UAE customer. So here, as per her request, we are going to change the language of the customer. So let's move on to the customer, and let's choose a customer. You can see Alha is our customer, and currently her invoice is managing in English. So we need to change the language into Arabic, and you can choose the language over here and save that. Now we are going to manage the invoices of Alha in Arabic as the customer doesn't know English. Now let's move on to the orders, and let's create a new quotation, and you can choose the quotation and choose the customer. So here we are going to choose the customer Alha, and you can just choose the product, which is cabinet with door, and you can see the description has changed into Arabic. Now we need to just save this and confirm the order, and we need to make the delivery of the item to the customer. So we need to check the availability, and let's validate. Okay, we are going to just deliver the item to the customer, and you can just save this. Okay, currently the product is available, and you can just validate. Afterwards, as we have just done the delivery, now we can generate the invoice. So we know after the delivery of the item only, we can just generate the invoice. Now let's click on invoice, and here we are going to just create a regular invoice. And once it's done, you can just preview the invoice that has generated for the customer. Now you can see that every details will be just translated into Arabic over here, and you can find that we have just generated the invoice as per the request of the customer, which is in Arabic, and that's done. And that's all about the video. Hope this concept is clear for you. As always, stay awesome, and thank you for watching the video.